So Screecastify is a video recording tool that can be used by anyone, and it could be used by students and teachers specifically. So this is the record page. So if you would press products and then record, this is what would pop up. This right here would be to install it as a shortcut, as an extension. So here you can, so this is just a shortcut to Screecastify, so you can record a browser tab, you can record at a desktop, or you can just do webcam only. So this is the microphone settings, this is the webcam settings, on or off, and then you would just press record. So this is a good option for Screecastify just to get it quicker. And then my recordings would be here. So this would be easier for students to access Screecastify. Alright, so that would be there. And just tells you what the extension does. It tells you different tools that could be used to record. You can do a mouse spotlight, a drawing pen, and a highlighting tool. And you could also share this easily through Drive and through YouTube. So the other tab would be Edit. So you can, like it said, you can underline and highlight. You can also merge some videos together and crop some videos. And then you can upload any video from your computer. And students or teachers can also include text over the video. The other one is submit, so it's easy to submit for students. So this is a video for students to watch, and they can look at different ways, either on a laptop, phone, iPad, or desktop to submit it. This is just different ways to submit it. There's privacy on any video. For school, so this is just saying different ways that teachers can include Screecastify in the classroom. So Screecastify is good because it can lead to student feedback verbally. Assignments can be explained. So for this one, we can see students explaining, for example, Spanish, so they can say it in Spanish, and the teacher can see that they're understanding how to read in Spanish. This will also let teachers explain a lesson in a video and have access to lessons anywhere at any time. These are more options for school. So these are courses that students can take to just get a better understanding of how Screecastify works. So this would be how to submit something. This is how to Screencastify record with Google Apps, which is unique. And this is just basics of how to screen record. And this Screencastify is very good for the times we're in now, because teachers can submit stuff online if they're not in class, and it's good for remote learning. So just going over it. This is resources, stories, and webinars. And obviously for work, people can use this for work. Just to make like presentations. And then my account. So this is just a survey or way for Screencastify to know a little more about you, so they can give you tips and ways to use Screencastify. So I'm going to agree. I am a teacher. I want to help kids 3 to 5. I am 13 years older. So this is just how I set up my account. So just as a summary for Screencastify, Screencastify is a great way for students to learn better from teachers making recordings of lessons, or it is good for them to record themselves, either explaining a topic, explaining a math solution, or reading a book and showing the teacher how well they're reading. So there's just different options that teachers can do to see the students' understanding